Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share three top roles that you can go for when it comes to digital marketing. So if you are interested in digital marketing, so these are the three top roles where you can look like your career in the long run. First is writing field. So when it comes to writing, there are a lot of like inside writing there are a lot of things. First thing is you can go for content creation. Like it's not like you just need to write articles, you just need to write a website content. There are a hell lot of like other roles also. You can manage monthly content calendar or content creation of any company. if you are good in creative ideas, suppose अब अगर मैं कोई कंपनी रन कर रही हूँ और आपके पास आइडिया है तो कि आज ये डाल मतलब वीक में क्या क्या आप आइडियाज़ कैसे कैसे जनरेट, जैसे मान लो कभी कोड डाल दिया, कभी मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ डाल दी, कभी कोई वीडियो बना दिया, कभी कोई एजुकेशनल वीडियो बना दी, जिससे कि अपन जो ऑडियंस अपनी एंगेज रख सके। तो चीज़ें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सोच सोच के आप अपना कंटेंट रेडी कर सकते हो, राइट। सो अगर आप सोचते हो, मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उस तरह के क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ के साथ आ सकते हो, देन यू कैन गो फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड मंथली सोशल मीडिया calendar, this like kind of role, because like these are some of the emerging roles where that people or say entrepreneurs or marketers or businessmen are looking for. So अब अगर मतलब जैसे मैं अगर कोई कंपनी रन कर रही हूँ, obviously I won't be able to do each and every role. There would be somebody who is handling graphic designing work, then somebody who is doing that social media marketing work or say posting work, publishing work, and then there would be a team or say a few people who will be doing that brainstorming, so that they can generate or come up with different ideas and a lot of things. So you need to understand that in which role you are going to fit. So if you are good in social media marketing, if you know that how does these LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook algorithm work, then you can absolutely go for it, no doubt. And other than this, if you want to make your career in graphic designing, if you are good in say like carving like design in a poster or something like this, then you can absolutely go for graphic designing work. You can use various tools. And if you work for a company, you need not to pay something for subscription from your end. You can ask that brand or company that you need that premium version, whatever tool you are using or whatever tool they are using, you can get that premium version. And if they don't have that premium version, so you can tell or you can make them understand that how useful is it, so that they can like they can willingly like pay for that subscription charges. So yeah, you just need to speak up, you just need to share what are the things that are there, and what are the tools in which if you are working, so you can come up with better results. So you just need to be so much like spoken, so over spoken. It's not good if you are so much talkative or something, but whatever it is whatever is relevant, you can talk about it. That then graphic designing, social media marketing or content creation or something like this, and then you can also go for digital market. Now when it comes to digital marketing, it's not like digital marketing is a like role. So when it comes to digital marketing, there are a lot of things inside digital marketing. It would be email marketing, paid advertisement, and then social media marketing, SEO, SEM, or then like SEO, search engine optimization, where you need not to pay anything, but your work or whatever articles you are writing, whatever work you are doing for your company, so it is so well written, it is so well done that because of this work and because of the keywords that you have used, because of that your company's website or your products are getting ranked on Google. You are not doing anything from your end, you are not at all putting money for like to get ranked it on Google, but it is happening automatically. Sorry, my parrot is making a few noise. So yeah, yeah, you can also go for it. So there are a lot of roles inside digital marketing. Okay, if you are doing that digital marketer role, then you need to handle all roles that are coming inside that digital marketing role. So you need to handle social media calendar, then you need to like maybe graphic designer and content creation will be like separate team. But other than this, social media marketing, SEO, writing like blogging, handling various social media platforms, ORM, that is online reputation management, all this all will be done by a single person who is in that role of digital marketer. So yeah, these are the three top roles where you can look for your career, and in the long run obviously it is like a well paid job, so you can go for it. Writer, graphic designers, and then digital marketing. And then inside digital marketing, social media marketing, I would say it is easy to understand that social media marketing role in a clear and in a deeper manner. So even if you are posting things, do you know, we can do something great on Instagram. You can take that content creator course and then you can show that certificate to your company, and you can show them what other things you can do from your end to give them better results, to make them outstanding among whatever competitors are there. So everything is there. So you just need to, whatever role you are picking up, just that, try to learn the new things on a daily basis. If I know that my page is good, it has around 10 2 or 3,000 followers, so it's my duty to to help them in gaining followers. So what I'll do is I will be looking for various hashtags relevant to our company, and then I will be will be engaging on other content, right? Liking, commenting, or maybe I will be asking them to collaborate with my content, or with collaborate something, maybe for podcast or something, whatever it is. Other than this, you can also you can also take care of whatever comments are there, whatever messages you are getting. So there are a lot of things inside social media marketing that you can do. And if you are doing your job with, say, honesty, so you can easily spend 7 to 8 hours within a day in that it is a full time job, right? If even if you are doing part time, so 3 to 4 hours, if you are spending, you can grow, you can help whatever, in whatever company you are working, that company grow. Or if you are working for your brand, or your team is working, so you can give them training session, and you can make them understand whatever things are happening, whatever things they can have, they can make, they can do as a social media marketer, or maybe graphic designer or writer. So there, in each and every role, there are various activities that you need to take care of, so that your companies grow well. Because you are spending money. If I am hiring somebody in graphic designing role, so I'll try to squeeze all the talent that that person have in this field. Okay, if I'm not doing it, if I'm not at all able to do it, so it would be a kind of waste for, for me, because I am paying that person, but I am not at all getting the best out of him, or out of that whoever is that employee. So it's my duty, right? We should take care of, we should understand the person's caliber, and based on that we should ask for the results. We It's not like we need to force them, or we need to torture them. It's like we need to create a healthy environment where we can discuss, we can brainstorm ideas, and we can focus on the best one. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. And also, if you want to learn social media marketing, writing, graphic design, anything, just contact me. Used to take sessions also, like 2 sessions on a daily basis. So if you want to, it would be like one individual session on a daily basis and one group session. If you want to join group session, you can. And if you want to join individual session, you can. And based on various, individual and group session, both have different charges. Just let me know. And yeah, just take care. Bye.